Hi folks, welcome back to another one of our short videos. Today I just want to quickly take you around this incredible Rolls Royce Wraith, which we've added full Apple CarPlay to. This is pretty trick. So there you go. All working through the original controller down the bottom here. The graphics are really cool, as you can see. We can move around the screen. We've got Google Maps, we've got Apple Maps, we've got messaging. We've got voice recognition, so we've got the key to activate here. So if I press and hold the key, if we just come back out there, find me the nearest Tesco's.
The closest one I found is Tesco's Superstore on Lancaster Way in Bishop Stortford.
There you go, so that's pretty impressive stuff. You've also got all of your music services, and just very easily, one press of a button, I can come back out of Apple CarPlay and go back into the normal operation of the Rolls Royce audio system. So there you go. If you own a Wraith, awesome car, you want Apple CarPlay, you've been told you can't do it, that's not the case anymore. Just get in touch with the boys at Audiofile-Incar. Thank you very much for watching another one of our short but nevertheless interesting videos.